Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Xanders Babar pasta step by step. Start by assembling all ingredients and preheating your largest pot of salted water. While water heats, mince garlic, chop herbs, and grate cheese for easy access. Use measured portions and set a timer for pasta to ensure al dente texture. Keep a cup of pasta water for sauce adjustment and plate-ready timing so everything finishes together smoothly. Boil pasta in plenty of salted water until al dente, then reserve 1 cup of pasta water before draining to help emulsify the sauce. While pasta cooks, warm olive oil in a skillet and gently sauté garlic until fragrant but not brown. Add chosen vegetables or protein and season with salt and pepper. Toss drained pasta into the pan with sauce components and add pasta water little by little until glossy and well-coated. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy-ups easy after cooking and keeps crumbs off your kitchen floor. I find it saves time and noise during meal prep, so it pairs nicely with busy cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a rich, balanced sauce by gently cooking garlic and aromatics in olive oil, then adding your chosen base like cream or crushed tomatoes. Slowly stir in grated cheese to melt smoothly and incorporate reserved pasta water to reach a silky consistency. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and fresh herbs to brighten the flavor. Finish by tossing the drained pasta in the sauce so each strand is evenly coated and ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.